Alrighty, here's the forecast here. Welcome to the new video. This is actually not the 4 o'clock update. This was actually updated at 7:35. So it was a little bit of an evening update. Although, it didn't really change anything too much. So, anyways, we got a 30% chance of flurries tonight. And then periods of light snow tomorrow. The wind chill near -8. And then Wednesday night, we got 30% chance of flurries in the evening and after midnight. Some snow beginning after midnight, and then we get some 2 centimeters of snow there. With the wind chill -6 overnight. And then Thursday we got snow, and Thursday night 6% chance of flurries. And then from the last video, that's not changed much. Nothing's changed beyond Thursday, but I will show the rest of it anyways. See the rest of it here. 40% chance of flurries Saturday night, and then a 6% chance of flurries Sunday to Monday, with temperatures pretty steady at around -1 degree, and then slowly increasing low. You can see Friday night -5, Saturday night -4, Sunday night -3. You would guess Monday -2. Pretty solid guess, you would think, maybe around -2, or maybe steady -3. Whatever, one way or another, there you guys go. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow morning. Here's the forecast here. Why I'm showing the current conditions as well is because of the fact that it is -2 here as well, -2.3 to be exact. So it's like it's pointless to show it. Mine as well, so mine in a separate clip, so I might as well just show what the airport's saying as a supplementary thing. Makes it easier. I'm spending less time doing updates, so yeah, a little less. Anyways, today we got periods of snow with a high of 0. See how that goes. And then tonight we got 30% chance of flurries this evening and after midnight, with periods of snow beginning after midnight. Another 2 centimeters there. Well, not another 2 centimeters there. And then Thursday, high of 0 with periods of snow and 5 centimeters of snow there. The wind chill of -7 in the afternoon. And then Thursday night, some periods of snow as well. No longer any snow potential, but 5 centimeters does the job there. And then Friday, dries out. A little bit of a dry break there. Scroll down. Yeah, it becomes a little crappy. Saturday 0, and then Saturday night 40% chance of flurries. That continues into Sunday there with a high of 2, and then another 40% chance of flurries Sunday, and then 6% chance of flurries Sunday night, and then Monday a 6% chance of flurries of rain showers with a high of 2, and then 6% chance of flurries Monday night, and then another high of 2 degrees for Tuesday. Let me remind you, CPC for the Monday to Friday period is saying below normal temperatures. So I would highly assume at some point in this period it switches over to below normal temperatures, which I would highly assume is Wednesday. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that though. I'll see you guys actually a little bit later on because there is some snow coming in. This is actually where it is. It's actually a little bit colder than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be around freezing. So there is some slight meltage going on, but nah, it's -0.6 right now. And yeah, very, very lightly snowing. I'll make sure you guys are radar and/or outside. And well, on that note, see you guys then. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys the 11 o'clock update, then the radar and/or outside. Sorry. Alrighty, so here's the 11 o'clock forecast. Everything's pretty much the same. Still periods of snow today. Why I'm doing this though is more so out of the fact that if we scroll, out of the fact that I don't think there's snow for Thursday night anymore. Unless that's always, I'm pretty sure it's always been there. Brain's dead after 3 hours, 4 hours in a day. Nice. But there's definitely one thing that's changed, 100%. We got snow. We got rain, snow for Sunday now as well. Saturday, 30% chance of flurries. Saturday night. Well, the temperatures have changed as well. Friday is still the same, but Saturday now 0 degrees with 30% chance of flurries as a high. 0 degrees. Saturday night we got 40% chance of flurries. Sunday now is a 40% chance of flurries or rain showers. And then beyond that, everything else is the same. Sunday night, 6% chance of flurries. Monday, 6% chance of flurries of rain showers. And Monday night is 6% chance of flurries. So the only thing that I can see that's changed is Sunday and Saturday's temperature. And I'm pretty sure these nighttime temperatures as well, but it doesn't matter as much as long as they're below freezing. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys a little bit later on, probably with a temperature update. Yeah, the snow stopped, so, and the radar is pretty trash, so we're not going to do either of those. We'll just do a temperature update. Here's where the temperature stands. We're sitting at 0 degrees right now. It's probably a touch above freezing by this point. But, yeah. They dropped it down to -1 as the high for today, and then it actually hit 0 degrees. I don't know why the fuck they did that. Yeah. Well, it's not much of a concern one way or another other than for melting. Not there's much snow to melt anyways. I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys later on today. And this is where we stand with the 4 o'clock forecast. Got to this pretty late, but still getting to it. Yeah. 6% chance of flurries this evening. Then we got some periods of snow beginning late this evening. We got 5 centimeters there. And then Thursday we got periods of snow with another 5 centimeters there, with temperature steady near 0. And then Thursday night periods of snow ending near midnight, and then 2 centimeters of snow there. 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 12 centimeters of snow in about just over 24 hours. That's snowfall warning criteria. Where the fuck is it? Or at least a special weather statement. Well, I mean, I guess this far into it doesn't really matter, a special weather statement, but snowfall warning. We gotta be like borderline as fuck. Might be something to do with the probabilities in terms of the snow as well. It's not completely certain, which is understandable, but one way or another, solid snow possible tonight and tomorrow. I'll leave you guys with that. I will probably see you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah. So I had to go out here just to see, because I noticed the ground looked a little bit whiter than usual. Well, I'm looking on the ground here. We got some snow grains, I would call. Okay, better position here. Yeah. I'm not going to stick out here just because of this, but just wanted to check to be sure I wasn't seeing things, and I wasn't. I'm going to go head in. Now I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Some periods. Okay. I've been tickling myself for the past 5 minutes. So much for periods of snow. I did get some. Not this. Oh my god. Can't that go? Yeah. Let's see. Can't tell. Immeasurable. Undo 0.2 centimeters. Alright, this is the temperature. Staying home just for this little first half here. First half of the day being 12 o'clock till about, well, just after noon. Yeah. It's minus 0.7, still rising. I'll be heading outside actually right now. Yeah. See where the snow's at. Well, actually not right now. I'll show you guys the forecast and I'll head outside. Should be all done in about by 9:30. I'll see you guys then. Here's the forecast. Not too shabby. Actually, it's a not too shabby forecast, despite what you're seeing at the bottom here. So, despite overall what we're seeing here in the forecast, we got 5 to 10 centimeters of snow today, and then periods of snow ending near midnight, and another 2 centimeters there. Friday, we clear up there. Clear up / dry up, and then Saturday still dry there, and then Saturday night we got some more snow possible. Sunday though we got a 6% chance of good old showers, and then Sunday night flurries. This is where it gets a little better. I'll just hold it here to the minute mark, but it will be quite warm starting Friday, Saturday. Go fucking figure without winter. Oh, it's temperature stayed near -1 as well all day. And Sunday, as you can see there, it actually becomes a little better. Monday, snow or rain, and then Monday night at 40% chance of flurries, and then you can see Tuesday onward it starts cooling back down. 40% chance of flurries Tuesday, then change it to a 30% chance of flurries Tuesday night. And then it dries up Wednesday with a -1 high, compared to 4-degree 1 from Monday. So it actually improves. And I checked the weather network, and they're also suggesting the same thing. It starts cooling down late next week. So it's not far from reality that we'll get back to cold ass weather again. But it's just all about the snow. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys outside in just a bit. Warming up scarily fast for the morning, so I could better get outside here quick before the snow starts melting here. Probably already is to an extent. Yeah, this is not what I was expecting. I was expecting it. Hopefully it stops rising here soon. For fuck's sake, this is ridiculous for a cloudy day. Oh. Won't switch over to rain. I'm not concerned about that. It's just the accumulation I'm going to be pissed about. Oh, they fucking... Hallelujah. Looks like fucking winter for once. Gonna get to some measuring now. We'll check the bins here first, and then we'll do the concrete. Because of how wet it is, I'll just have to do that. About 3.5 centimeters. He said the eye level. Yeah, it's just about 3.5 centimeters. to another spot. To the bin here. Oh, this is what I love, consistency. There we go. Alright, the concrete's gonna settle the score. We got 3.5 and our just over 3.5 here. Well, we initially got fucking 4 centimeters somehow. So, let's go to the front here. Luckily, you have a good space here. Oh wow. Fill with tracks, but we can find a spot. Right here seems respectable. Yeah, respectable. 3.5 centimeters. Yep. Well, 3.5 centimeters of snow. Solid amount. Don't know where that 4 centimeters came from, I assume. It's just, still was kind of like a lisp on it, so I would assume it has something to do with that. I don't think I used the right word. Well, whatever. Oh, jeez. Oh, blood rush. Yeah. Hard to believe this light of snow did 3.5 centimeters. Although obviously it was probably a lot heavier. I wonder when it started. It's 3.5 centimeters. It's actually a decent bit. Because I went to bed at 2. So, one way or another, you can actually see some wet patches here. That's a sign of the solar radiation. That's that minimal amount of solar radiation getting to work already. Yeah. Huh. Wonder how that happened. I'll deal with that and then I'll be back with you guys. Alright. Just gonna fix whatever happened to that later. But, yeah. I'm gonna go around the house here, then I'm gonna get some photos, and then around the house one last time there, tended. Well, and then shovel. It's probably all gonna take about a fucking hour or so. Knowing my luck. But, as you can see, it's actually breaking up here. It's so fucking light. It's breaking. Yeah. See, the issue is, these past few snowfalls, they haven't picked up on radar, which is it's a huge concern. I mean, we still obviously are getting a decent little snowfall here, but it's still fucking an issue because when it comes to the solar radiation, it can be put down to its absolute minimal. If we were able to get some fucking solid, like, clouded over snow, but we're getting some, like, very low topped under the radar beam crap. It's not doing really too much. It's really annoying the fuck out of me right now. I mean, I just want the snow to fucking stay. I just want the temperatures to stay at least within, like, no colder than, like, half a degree. I mean, no warmer than half a degree, so sorry. But, yeah. Hard to even achieve that. If it tries to break up the cloud cover. One way or another. Yeah. Snow's falling off his cedars. I just saw that. It's not falling off huge chunks, but they're falling off. Although there is a little bit of a breeze, so. Yeah. It's quiet for fucking in the morning. Yeah. It always melts near the side here. It always actually does that, so I'm not ever surprised when it does. It always melts near the side here. It's been so far below freezing, it's melted on the side here. Something to do with the house emitting heat, which would make a lot of sense. Yeah. You can see it dripping off the power lines here. So, it is melting. We can confirm. Well, we can surely confirm that now. Not like I already knew that. This is very slow. But yeah. 3.5 centimeters so far. We'll see what we get out of the rest of it. So, yeah. Kind of sucks, but I was hoping for a lot more than this in the morning. Save this light shit. It's not even snowing anymore, really. It's the lightest fucking snow ever. It is snowing, but the joke. Oh. I'm staying home for the morning here just because of the snowfall. Since I have nothing to do at the school, so I'm just taking this bit of the day off just to see the snow here. So I know the afternoon is gonna be probably a fucking bust. That and I have to go back to school then, anyways. A couple things. Sorry for why I do that. But you figure that out for yourself. One way or another, though. I have to take a little break here. Also to get photos. Yeah. Yeah. So right before I headed back out, it got to minus 0.6. So like I say, it's either it's just updated like that and saying it's still rising, or it's going to stay steady around -0.5 degree. It's going to be down to how the cloud cover works for the rest of the day, really, and if we can get higher snowfall rates. So right now, these snowfall rates are pretty abysmal. Some pretty wet snow too. I've seen so many fucking wet snowfalls in one season. It's ridiculous. Usually we've been in a good few dry snowfall events, like actual good ones, like ones that produced over an inch. We haven't had many of those. Can't tell it's melting. That's a great example there. Very slowly, and it's falling off the tree right now as I speak. Well, this is something I gotta quickly do, actually something else before I get my photos, and then I'll get these photos rolling. So, this is a sign that I gotta move my ass. Yeah. Well, we'll see how much we accumulate the rest of the day. Just mind you, whatever melts is what we lose in accumulation for the day. Well, actually, that's actually not how it works, but we'll just see what happens the rest of the day. I'll check this afternoon. Well, before I go back to school, before I just to see what it is, what I should expect. Oh, looks like there's a little bit of a breeze last night. Unless that's just because there was a very light breeze out of the north. That may be a reason why the thing is toppled a bit. Yeah. Well, I will leave you guys with that. I am going to head in just for a bit here. I'll see you guys after I get my photos. I do my other thing here. Alrighty. So, check the temperature just before I headed back out and got some photos here. It's 0 right now. Obviously still rising. Goal is it stays at 0.5 degree or colder all day. That way it's not like a profusive fucking melt. And I hope we can get some snow going in the next fucking hour. Like within the next hour. Well, depending on what time it is, within the hour. I'm pretty sure it's 10 o'clock right now. But yeah, I gotta still shovel the snow. Still an area in the back I can leave for measurements. So this is actually perfect to what the actual snowfall amount is right now. But yeah, I gotta head to school later on today. So this is just, I'll laugh. This is the rest of the snow we get all fucking day. This will be annoying. I mean, more snow later this week, but Saturday night. But big fucking whoop. Probably most of this snow will be gone by then. It's gonna be an interesting. It's gonna be one of the most interesting winters. It's gonna go down as one of the weirdest because the snowpack, our main snowpack, like the one we focus on, like the snowpack mountain pack, is well above average right now. So that's already a concern for how the rest of the fucking La Nina is probably going to go. And then we have the fact that right now we're well below normal for snowfall. Right now we should probably be at about, give or take, about 70 centimeters. We're only at 54.9. I haven't included this one. Yeah, That would put us at about 58.4, I believe. Which is absolutely not much better. It's not much better at all. We're going to need some miracles and extra snow today to actually have a shot at a normal winter. I'm not even expecting above normal snowfall season anymore. I'm expecting a pretty lackluster winter. All this hype's gonna go down the fucking drain because this stubborn ass southwesterly flow stuck around, and it's not still fucking chilling. So annoying. But yeah. Oh. But yeah, I gotta go shovel the snow now. What's left of it. Something scrunchy, a snowman. There's one thing I don't mind about wet snow though, it's the sound of walking in it. It's the most satisfying thing ever. But yeah. One thing I hate about winters though, and I always will, is the fact that it's always fucking cloudy. And this season's no fucking exception. It's been especially cloudy this season. It's not anything surprising, but it's been exceptionally cloudy this season. Still. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and start shoveling the snow out in the front. Clean up the back here a bit, actually. So we'll get to that, and then I'll be back after I get that done to end it off outside. To end off all the outside stuff until probably school, until I head back to school. Start walking back to school, sorry. But yeah, hopefully the snow can start getting going again here soon. Like I said, hopefully within the next hour, no matter what time it is. Yeah. I'll leave you guys. Sorry. Jesus, I can't speak. Sorry, something in my fucking throat. Jesus, sorry about that. My God. Not sick or anything. It's just always a morning thing. Sorry. Premature ending there. Now I ended off properly here with a small clip here. And I will see you guys a little bit later on after I get some shoveling done. Yeah. This is how it looks now. It's trying to start snowing again. Just finished shoveling. About half an hour fucking later, if not more. Probably more. Wet snow and it becoming compact is not nice. Compact means stepped on, rolled over, whatever. It is not a fun task. So you got this year, it's just been horrible snowfalls. Horribly harsh snowfalls to shovel. And here's what I mean. Look how dirty that shit is. That's because I scraped like the fucking first like centimeter or two is just compact fucking snow. First centimeter is just compact fucking snow. So it's like melting. It was like fucking shoveling fucking, well, compact snow. It's all clear now one way or another. Just trying to pick up again, but I don't think it's gonna be really anything much. Ouch. We'll see how much melts. Oh, my hands. Oh, it's so itchy right now. Oh. I love how they say, I love how Environment Canada, I didn't show you guys this or mention this. Environment Canada yesterday on the news, usually the worst source for any fucking weather updates is from fucking the news. Even if it's directly from the Environment Canada source. Right from Environment Canada. Right from Environment Canada. They fucking say winter is turning its corner now. Well, a bunch of models are still hinting at fucking Arctic air coming back down after like the first, like next week. Like the late next week. It's like, are you fucking serious? Like late next week. Like proper like cold, almost Arctic like air. It's still, there's models suggesting as much as like negative like 20 degrees below fucking normal. But I mean, that's with like one or two models. But most are still pointing at even CPC below normal straight through February. So I don't know what Environment Canada is smoking. But they have horrible forecasting. Let me tell you that much. When it comes to saying shit on the news, I should say. When it comes to saying shit on the news, it's like they really show their stripes. Sometimes. I swear to God. And that was one of them. They've had so many bad fucking things. Bad takes on the weather. It's unreal. But forecasts are good, but other than that, I'm not going to even mention the thunderstorm outlooks for us. Jesus fucking Christ, I'm not even going to go there. Anyways. Yeah. Wonder how slippery the roads are. I'm going to take a little slide though. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Very slippery. Very slippery. Jesus. Yeah. Oh, yep. Well, after being out here for about an hour and a half, finally gonna be heading in here. Yeah. I just find it interesting with our snow this season. Like this late bit of the season here. Well, mid-late bit of the season here, heading into the late bit. It's the snow doesn't get picked up on radar, but it's obviously happening at the surface. Like obviously it's getting overshot by the radar beam. The radar beam's overshooting it, so it's missing it. But this is like one of the worst cases of it. It's just happened so often. It's actually quite annoying. It's kind of just guesstimating the snowfall rates. Yeah. Well. Yeah. Well, I will leave you guys with that. I will see you guys with the temperature in just a bit. And then probably outside. Heading to school. Yeah. Alrighty. So, not what I was expecting. But 0.1. And it's 0.1. 0.2 now. Still rising. I'm surprised it's still saying rising. It's more steady because I was in here at like 10 o'clock and it was fucking 0.0. It was freezing. Like, yeah, at freezing. Yeah. Cool beans. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Yeah. And this is where the temperature stands right now. 0.6, steady, but it's been obviously rising. Yeah, it is. The snow has since restarted, so maybe we'll get some. If the snowfall rates can pick up, maybe we'll get some diabatic cooling going, but unless they pick up a little bit more than where they are at now, it's going to be pretty pointless. Yeah, I'll actually see you guys outside in just a bit. Yeah, snow is restarted. It's a decent though snowfall. It's not too heavy, but it's not like super light. A little bit of a breeze as well. With the chimes going. Maybe some snow will mix. Maybe some diabatic cooling will start going on here in a little bit. I don't think the snowfall rates are really suitable for it, but whatever. That'll be it. I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Yeah. This 11 o'clock update has changed so fucking much. Let me just run it through here. So, still, for today, they haven't changed anything. They haven't changed anything other than now it's going to be steady near -2 as a low. More reasonable. Tomorrow now is supposed to be 0 degrees as a high. That's more respectable. Saturday has a high of 0 degrees as well, but now we got a 6% chance of flurries Saturday. And this is where it really gets changed. Saturday night is now from snow to a 70% chance of flurries. Sunday is from a chance of rain showers to flurries or rain showers. And I believe they've actually even... No, wrong day. Sunday night now is snow. We'll hold it here to the minute mark yet again. Just like the last time here. And then now, oh jeez. So Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday is periods of, wait no, this is supposed to be the 4-degree day, and now it's that. One of these days was 4 degrees, but now it's a straight 3 degrees. But anyways, now Monday is periods of snow or rain, change from snow or rain. Monday night is now a 6% chance of flurries. Tuesday is now a 30% chance of flurries. And now the highs have actually been increased for Tuesday and Wednesday by a degree. By 1 degree. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. Now what I say is a good update. Temperatures have been cucked for this half here. Well, actually, it's a neutral update. There's a lot of negatives and a lot of positives about it. So, one way or another, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today.